We got Hey guys, hope you're doing well. So we did some manual trading. Why does it say you were muted? Oh, it's because I'm on a Zoom. Let me get out of that. Okay. So we did some manual trading last night, and I won 3 out of 4 trades. Unfortunately, one that I lost was like 400, but I cut it. I cut it. It would have been worse. So that's important to know when to cut your loss. But really, for what's a game changer for me is this Trading View site because I just wasn't able to really do analysis in the MT4 for whatever reason. So I do use two screens to help me with this because I'll have MT4 here so I can see the profit going up and down, and so I can get out of the trade when I want. And then the Trading View, which is this. Technically, maybe this is more important, but I just hopped on here today because I was trading. Let's see, last night. Last night I was doing. Let's see if we could see what I was doing last night. This is what I was doing last night. So it was around this area. So I was waiting for it to go down, which it did. Not sure exactly what I was doing last night, but you could see like you zoom in, zoom out, and it's a totally different view. So this spike up happened after I went to sleep, and this massive move down happened this morning. So it's just kind of interesting to watch, and it's like, okay, well, what's it doing here? It's probably going to drop, and it's probably going to drop to this line. And by the way, this stuff at the bottom is volume. So, what we're talking about last night is that the market's just a tug of war, buyers and sellers, buyers and sellers. If there's more buyers, you're going to see green. You're going to see more. This is volume down here, and this is the actual price of gold here. So you see there's more buyers thinking, why are people buying? Because I think it's going to go up, and that's what it does. But at the same time, if there's more sellers at any given time, that pulls it down. That's red. So check this out. This is 5 minutes. So when you want to make a trade and you want to get like real precise, that's when you zoom in. But in order to do your analysis, you tap this here, not necessarily this. You take a bigger zoom out. So here, if you look at the week view, you can go back years and see this upward trend of gold. And you could draw some lines here because again, the further you zoom out, you're going to see some like right here, how it bounced off of this. So this is resistance. A ceiling is resistance. A floor is support. It bounces off the floor. It bounces off the ceiling, and it's called different things. And then what happens is that resistance can, once it breaks through this is at one point is resistance. Now that it breaks through it, now it can become a floor, which is support. So you could do research on support resistance. You can do some Google searches on trends and stuff like that. And just with those two strategies, you can probably do pretty well. So zooming out here, I'm going to zoom out for. I keep clicking that instead of this. I'm going to zoom out to that. That's really far. The week, we could have fun with that. A lot of people do that. Now here's the hour zoom out, and look at this. Look where it touched this. So this is a trend line. So I drew this trend line, and maybe I drew it on when I was looking at the week. Yes, I drew it from here to here, and really it goes further because you can see that it hit here, here. Let's see. Hit there. Look, it actually started. Not going to get too crazy with it because I want to. I have a point that I want to show you is that like wow, when you're looking at this zoomed in, like let's say the 5 minute, and you're just like, wow, fell off a cliff. Where's it going? Is it going to keep going down? But then you zoom out and you could see that it's actually been bouncing kind of off this line here. So good chance that it's going to recover now, because that's kind of been the trend. Just know that eventually it's all probability. So at some point, if it hits this line enough, it can pierce through it, and then you have a good probability trade of it going down, right? Placing a sell order. But right now it's a pretty good odds of doing a buy order, that it's just going to bounce off of that and go up. So just want to give you guys a little bit of insight here. You can zoom in, and zoom out and see lots of things here. So hopefully this helps you. If you got some value out of it, let me know. All right, see you soon.